Welcome to...
Welcome to the fish's land.
Fish. It's not an ocean.
We will be showing you where the bonfire is going to happen. Come with us.
Come explore.
And don't wander off on your own.
And stay what looks like a path.
Come on. On the path.
Path. This right here is a tall oak. And this over here is a smaller oak.
And all the fun things we can do, like tree climbing.
Okay, so at the bonfire, you are supposed to stay in the area that the fish is outlined.
Always stay with a group of friends or with a partner. And don't wander off.
No wandering off. Stay near the fire. You should be able to see the bonfire at most all the times. Stay together. And this is where the bonfire will be happening. Over here. Can you see the bonfire? Yes. So when we... Where's Ian? Where's Ian? Did you wander off? Shoot.